What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshanna and today I'm going to be doing my eyebrow routine. It's been requested and it's been long waited because I literally so I got my eyebrows done. The lady messed them up, so I couldn't do my brow routine when I wanted to upload it, but my babies grew back now and they're ready to do a brow routine, so we're gonna get this brow routine done. We're gonna get it ready. I'm ready, if you're ready, let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed if you aren't already. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can become part of the gang, become part of the family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know whenever I post. Also, all my social media is going to be on the screen. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, tweet me on Twitter. I do tweet back. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm giving you. Other than that, let's get into the video. Okay, so since I got my eyebrows done correctly this time and the lady at the nail salon did not mess up my eyebrows, I'm able to show you guys a brow routine that is easy for me to do because my brows are already done and they look good already. Now this is just what I do to make them look better. First, I start off with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. As you can see, I use this thing a lot, but this is really dark. Like, ebony is such a dark color for this, so I usually just take a little tiny bit, like such a tiny bit, and then I kind of take off the excess. So I'm gonna start off just taking a little bit and just doing small strokes. You don't want a harsh line at all, so you're just going to start off with small strokes and then barely slowly take it around like that so you create the perfect shape. And then as you can see, that little blank spot right there, I'm just going to fill that in. And I don't want to worry too much with the front at all. So you barely make little false strokes in the front. So now, taking my spoolie, I'm just going to brush out the front to make sure that there's no harsh lines. And now I'm going to move on to the other brow. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. So basically this is how it looks when I fill them in. This is pretty good. You can just go out the house with this, but I like to perfect it, so I'm going to put some concealer by taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. You want to take the flattest concealer brush that you can find and apply your concealer. Now the concealer has to be lighter than your actual complexion. Like, you don't want to use a concealer that's close to your complexion because it's not going to carve out the brows to the best of its ability. So you guys make sure you have a lighter concealer always. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can use any concealer you want, really. And this is just going to be for the top. I'm only carving out the top. I'm not going to carve out the bottom. So you just want to keep smoothing it out like that. And of course, because this concealer is lighter, it's going to be light around here, but you can fix that. I just feel like the brighter the concealer, the more that it carves out the brow. So now I'm just going to take concealer and do the same thing to the other side. I just really want to concentrate on this part because you want to get this brow looking exactly like this brow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go like this. I know that looks crazy, but I'm going to make this face. And it kind of just straightens out my brows so that I can see exactly where I need to put it. So it doesn't have to be too perfect because you can always go back in with the pomade and Now make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already. I love you if you watch to the end. I'll see you guys in my next video.